Looking to upgrade your 1994 to 96 Honda Accord's radio without sacrificing that sleek factory look? This universal mounting kit offers exactly what you need: a perfect fit, solid support, and a seamless integration that keeps your dashboard looking original. When I first tackled swapping out my radio, I was new to aftermarket audio and skeptical about fitment kits. Most options I found online were plastic and relied on flimsy clips that felt unreliable. But this kit stood out. It preserves the little cubby space below the radio, maintaining the clean, factory appearance. The radio mounts securely with screws directly to the kit, giving it a sturdy hold that feels built to last. Installation wasn't without its challenges. The kit attaches to the dash with clips up front, and a large tab at the back needed some effort to slide over the metal bracket inside the dash. But once in place, the support is rock solid. Your radio won't rattle loose or be easily stolen without taking apart the entire dash, just like the factory setup. And if you want quicker removal, that back tab can be trimmed or modified without much hassle. What you get is peace of mind and a professional finish that doesn't scream aftermarket. If you're upgrading your Accord's audio, this mounting kit is worth a look. It combines ease of installation with durability and keeps your interior looking sharp. Ready to make the switch? This universal mounting kit for 1994 to 96 Honda Accords offers a straightforward solution that blends function and style. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride's sound system without compromise.